The Bootstrap paradox, also known as the causal loop or ontological paradox, delves into the intricate dynamics of time travel and causality. To understand it deeply, let's break it down into detailed steps and examples. The paradox arises from the idea of traveling back in time and affecting events in such a way that it creates a loop where the past influences the future in a self-sustaining cycle. In essence, an object or piece of information seems to exist without an original source. Imagine a time traveler named Alice. She travels back to the 19th century and gives William Shakespeare a copy of his own plays, which include works like Hamlet and Macbeth. Shakespeare then publishes these plays as his own works, which gain fame and are later studied extensively. In the future, Alice, who is a literature enthusiast, comes across Shakespeare's works and, recognizing their value, decides to bring a copy of them back in time to Shakespeare. The critical question is, if Shakespeare received the works from Alice, who originally wrote them? The works seem to have no origin since they are perpetually cycled between Alice and Shakespeare. The works exist because they were passed back in time by Alice, but there's no original creator. They're caught in a loop where their existence is due to their own presence in the timeline, not due to an initial creation event. For the loop to work, the timeline must remain consistent. Alice must always travel back to give Shakespeare the works, and Shakespeare must always publish them, ensuring the loop continues. The paradox implies that time travel might allow for scenarios where cause and effect are intertwined in ways that defy our conventional understanding of origins and sequence. It challenges our notions of creation and causality, suggesting that objects or information can exist without an identifiable starting point. Some theoretical physics models, like those involving closed time-like curves, allow for such loops in the context of general relativity. However, whether these models are physically possible is still a matter of debate. The paradox raises questions about the nature of time, causality, and existence. It challenges our understanding of linear progression and the principle of causality. In popular culture, the Bootstrap paradox often appears in science fiction as a plot device to explore the implications of time travel. Examples include Back to the Future Part 2. The film series features a variation where a time traveler's actions affect the timeline in ways that create self-consistent loops. And Doctor Who. The show frequently explores time travel paradoxes, including causal loops similar to the Bootstrap paradox. In summary, the Bootstrap paradox presents a fascinating and complex challenge to our understanding of time, causality, and the nature of existence. It serves as a compelling thought experiment in both science fiction and theoretical physics. That's it for today. Like and subscribe and comment your thoughts and what you would like to see